Hello, Leilani here, your digital mentor from Alberta, Canada. I want to share to you the new way to work. Have you noticed ang daming OFWs and immigrants na kumikita na online using their phones? Dati kasi ang mindset, pag nag-abroad ka, secured na ang income mo. Pero ngayon, kahit nasa Canada ka, USA, Japan, New Zealand, or kahit saan ka pa, wala nang 100% sure. Kaya I started a digital business. No rent, no stacking, no huge capital. Kahit part-time, pwede. This is not about quitting your job. Ito ay tungkol sa pagkakaroon ng mga option at pag-aahanda para sa iyong kinabukasan at sa pamilya mo. Because digital business is no longer optional. It is the future. Working abroad or starting over in a new country, you can build something stable digitally. Comment start if you're ready to explore this digital business. Reach out to me, www.leilanilibres.com.